Welcome back everyone. So in this session we are going to understand the general term of an AP, how to generalize an AP, right? You have understood how an AP forms and what is the characteristic of an AP, such as firstly the common difference should be same, right? This was first and foremost important characteristics of an AP. Let's say this is an AP, the first term, the second term, the third term, the fourth term and the nth term, right? Now, if I call the first term as A and the common difference here, the common difference is D, let the common difference is D. So, in order to get the second term, you have to add a D over here, right, the common difference. And then in order to get the third term, you have to add twice of the common difference over here, right? And then in order to get the fourth term, you have to add the 3 times of common difference over here, right? Now, if I want to get the nth term out of here, then what I can say is that you must be following this pattern, that when the value of n was 1, then here it was 0, then 2, then 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, n minus 1. So this will be the formula for general term of an AP. Now this is what nth term from the start of an AP. Now let's generalize a bit more. For example, again I am taking the same AP only. Some of the terms have been changed. Let's say this is the A and then A plus 2D and then A plus 3D, sorry, A plus D only, and then A plus 2D and then A plus 3D and so on, this goes on. Now, the last term would be A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Or this can be written as, if I start from the last, then this would be the last term, and if I want to get one term before, then I have to subtract D out of here, and if I want to get one more term from the behind, then I have to subtract twice of D, and if I have to get the fourth term for the, see, this is second term from last, right? This is third term from end, right? Similarly, this would be fourth term from the end. If I want to get nth term, let's say this is what the nth term from the end, then what I have to do is just L minus n minus 1 into D. I hope it is pretty much clear to you. What I have done is L minus n minus 1 into D. So when the third term was there, I have written 2. When the second term was there, I have written 1. And when nth term is there, I have written n minus 1. So this is purely an observational derivation, right? So I have two formula. First is nth term from the beginning and nth term from the last, right? These two formulas, see, you need not to cram these things. I hope it is already remembered to you, right? A plus n minus 1 into D, and if you want to get nth term from the end, all you need to do is just to identify the pattern, n minus L minus n minus 1 into D. So it is A plus n minus 1 into D. It is L minus n minus 1 into D. I hope it is clear to you, right? Let's practice some questions.